Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a seamless pattern. We are going to make daisy flower with pink background. This is how you set up it. Okay, we will start to make daisy flower. And I'm making the pollen now. Okay, and then I think I change the pollen space with bright yellow. And then I will draw daisy petals. Okay, after that, I will duplicate and merge them so it will become one flower. And then I will duplicate each of them and arrange and group them again. And then I finish the leaf. Next, I duplicate and arrange the leaves under daisy flowers. Next, I will make seamless pattern. Okay, step 1, duplicate the design 5 times and lock 1. Lock 1 because in case we might have to edit some things. Step 2, select one design, then open snapping. Turn on magnetics and snapping. And then move your first design to the top left corner until it snaps. You can see the yellow line. Okay, and do it again. And then important to move each of them to the corner. Wait until it shows the yellow line. Okay, step 3. Open all the layers and merge them to the same group. For example, you will see the preset of flowers, then merge them to one group. Okay, the last step, I will test my seamless pattern. By repeating the process again, use the first seamless pattern that we did. And yeah, you can see it worked. They are seamless now. It's done. You can upload and sell it on Spoonflower website.